Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. We are back with a new update regarding Quebec sets limit on spousal sponsorship applications effective June 26, and also watch the news till the end to know till when is this cap applicable. Quebec has set a limit on applications for spousal sponsorship and children, 18 and older, as well as for parent/grandparent/other relative sponsorship, with some exemptions. Effective June 26, 2024, the Ministère de l'Immigration, de la Francisation, and de l'Intégration, MIFI, will only accept 13,000 applications for a 2-year timeframe. This family sponsorship cap is a noteworthy development in the province that will affect families looking to reunite in the province. Breakdown of cap on family sponsorship. Until June 25, 2026, spouses, common law spouses, and dependent children aged 18 and up will be up to 10,400, and fathers, mothers, grandfathers, grandmothers, or other eligible relatives, the limit is up to 2,600. However, this capping is not applicable for a sponsor's dependent minor child. Minor children the sponsor wishes to adopt, an orphaned minor child of the sponsor's brother, sister, nephew, niece, grandson, or granddaughter, and a sponsor's adult child who is dependent on a parent due to disability. These people must not be married or in a common law relationship. Applications to add a sponsored person's dependent child, spouse, or common law partner, who is currently eligible for coverage under an undertaking application or a concluded undertaking and is awaiting admission as a permanent resident, are also exempt from the application reception cap. Current processing times. Spousal sponsorship applications for Quebec are currently taking anywhere between 28 and 34 months, which is significantly higher than the rest of Canada at around 10 months. Below is the most recent IRCC processing time comparison for processing family sponsorship applications. This current processing times for different types of family sponsorship applications for immigration to Canada. Here's an explanation of each category. 1. Spouse or common law partner living outside Canada, intention to live outside Quebec. Applications for spouses or common law partners living outside Canada with the intention to settle outside Quebec are processed in approximately 10 months. The processing time has decreased by 3 months compared to May 1, and by 2 months compared to April 23, indicating potential improvements in processing efficiency. 2. Spouse or common law partner living outside Canada, intention to live in Quebec. Applications for spouses or common law partners living outside Canada with the intention to settle in Quebec are currently taking around 34 months to process. There has been no change in processing time since May 1, but there has been an increase of 6 months since April 23, indicating a slower processing rate. 3. Spouse or common law partner living inside Canada, intention to live outside Quebec. Applications for spouses or common law partners living inside Canada with the intention to settle outside Quebec are processed in about 10 months. The processing time decreased by 1 month compared to May 1, but increased by 2 months compared to April 23, suggesting fluctuations in processing times. 4. Spouse or common law partner living inside Canada, intention to live in Quebec. Applications for spouses or common law partners living inside Canada with the intention to settle in Quebec have a current processing time of approximately 28 months. The processing time increased by 1 month since May 1 and by 4 months since April 23, indicating a slower processing trend. 5. Parents or grandparents PR, intention to live outside Quebec, ****. Applications for parents or grandparents seeking permanent residence, PR, with the intention to settle outside Quebec are processed in around 24 months. The processing time increased by 4 months since May 1, but decreased by 3 months compared to April 23, showing variable processing times. 6. Parents or grandparents PR, intention to live in Quebec. Applications for parents or grandparents seeking PR with the intention to settle in Quebec have a current processing time of approximately 48 months. There has been a significant increase in processing time, with an additional 15 months since May 1 and 11 months since April 23, indicating considerable delays in processing these applications. These processing times reflect the average duration it takes for Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, to process each category of family sponsorship applications. Changes in processing times over recent months indicate fluctuations in workload, efficiency, and possibly changes in immigration policies or procedures. When does the cap expire? This cap on family sponsorships for Quebec will expire on June 25, 2026. Quebec has introduced a limit on the number of applications it will accept for spousal sponsorships and other family reunification categories. This cap comes into effect on June 26, 2024, and will span a 2-year period, allowing a total of 13,000 applications to be processed within this timeframe. Categories affected: 1. Spouses, common-law partners, and dependent children, 18 and older. Up to 10,400 applications will be accepted. 2. Parents, grandparents, and other eligible relatives ***. A limit of up to 2,600 applications will be processed. Exemptions from the cap. Certain categories are exempt from this cap: dependent minor children, children who are dependent on the sponsor. Minor children for adoption, children the sponsor wishes to adopt. Orphaned minor children, orphaned children of the sponsor's siblings, nephews, nieces, grandchildren, etc. Disabled adult children who are disabled and dependent on their parents. These exemptions apply only if the individuals are unmarried and not in a common law relationship. Processing times. Current processing times for spousal and family sponsorship applications in Quebec vary significantly. Applications for spouses or common-law partners intending to settle outside Quebec are processed in about 10 months. However, those intending to settle in Quebec face much longer processing times, averaging around 28 to 34 months. Applications for parents or grandparents intending to settle in Quebec have the longest processing times, currently around 48 months. Duration of the cap. The cap on family sponsorships in Quebec is set to expire on June 25, 2026. Until then, applicants need to consider the limited number of spots available and the potentially lengthy processing times when planning their immigration strategies. Thanks for watching our video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel.